he and a ho ho, with a he and a ho and a ha ha, with a ho and a ha and a he. Oh, I'm the happiest Christmas tree, ho ho ho, he. Someone came and they found me and they took me home again. Oh, I'm the happiest Christmas tree, ho ho ho, he. Look how pretty they dress me, oh lucky, lucky me. I got shiny bells that jingle and tiny lights that jingle. Whenever anyone passes by, I blink my lights and I wink my eye. I'm the happiest Christmas tree, a Christmas day, wait and see. I'll be laughing happily with a ho 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 hee. With a hey and a he and a ho ho, with a he and a ho and a ha ha, with a ho and a ha and a hee. Happiest Christmas tree, a Christmas day, wait and see. I'll be laughing happily with a ho 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 hee. I'm the happiest Christmas tree, a Christmas day, wait and see. I'll be laughing happily with a ho 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 hee. With a hee and a hee and a ho ho.
On your hips now, twist with the beat and rock. The Santa Claus rock. Oh yeah, the Santa Claus rock. Wave to the people, stomp with your feet. Hands on your hips now, twist with the beat and rock. The Santa Claus rock. Oh yeah, the Santa Claus rock.
Christmas. I hope you have a wonderful weekend today.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh.
Klopocej, oczy gorącej, synda, sesja udebeka piszywaj.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Feliz Navidad y Año Nuevo de España.
Ha llegado Navidad, la familia alegre está, celebrando Nochebuena en la paz del Santo Hogar. Sonor Habor, Sununt. Γεια σας, με λένε Μάρια και θέλω να σας ευχηθώ καλά Χριστούγεννα και καλή πρωτοχρονιά.
Καλά Χριστούγεννα και καλή χρονιά. Merry Christmas from Greece.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing the bushes of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chime and jingle bells chime. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air. What a right time, it's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a swell time to go gliding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. Jingle around the clock. Mixing and mingling the jingling feet. That's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell rock. There's a brand new Christmas dance, it's the latest sensation. Jingle, 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 jingle. It started way up north at Santa's reindeer station. Jingle, 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 jingle. Before the reindeer take off, they always have to shake off all the snow. So let's go! Now we'll show you how to do it. If you try, you can remember. Jingle, 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 jingle. We'll dance around the Christmas tree each year in late December. Jingle, 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 jingle. Now twist your hips and show off like reindeer shake the snow off just like this. Now let's twist. Do the reindeer twist. You know it goes like this. A dance you can't resist. Reindeer twist. Don't tell me that you can't learn. Come on and shake an antler and twist. Round and around, shake your antler
were singing about reindeer and Christmas angel.
Yeah, they were so cute. They got me in the mood for Christmas. Na 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 na.
Finally, Christmas is here. It's my favorite time of the year.
I was wondering, why do we celebrate Christmas every year?
To celebrate Jesus' birthday. Don't you remember what we took in religion class with Miss Rania?
Yeah, I know. It's when we remember that Jesus came to this world as a baby. But what about all these decorations?
Well, these are the symbols of Christmas, and they've got a meaning.
Really? I thought they are just for decoration.
Well, let's talk about the evergreen tree that we're decorating. It has a very appropriate name, evergreen, always green. It doesn't become dormant in the winter as the other trees do. The color green represents new life. I think that we should all be like the evergreen tree, always full of life.
Tell me about the ornaments and why is it an essential part of our Christmas tree?
I will tell you, ornaments on the Christmas tree symbolize the blessings in our lives. Our lives on the Christmas tree wouldn't be complete without God's blessing, the ornaments. Everything that we have is due to God's blessing.
The next time you decorate your tree and as you put on each ornament, think of a blessing that God has given you.
And the bells ring out to guide the lost sheep back to the fold, signifying that all are precious in the eyes of God, and He is calling us to follow Him. The candy cane looks like the shepherd's crook. The shepherds are some of the few people who were able to see baby Jesus in Bethlehem. There seems to be a reason why we do everything that we do. Well, that's quite an amazing thing to think about during this Christmas season. Yeah, now let's go back to our celebration and enjoy our Christmas spirit.
Did you see how many presents were on the stage?
Yeah, that's the best thing about Christmas. Santa with his presents. I love to get presents on Christmas.
But for me, Christmas also means laughing and spending time with my family and friends.
Christmas is about taking time to show the people around us that we care about them and that we love them.
Finally, kindness in Christmas is like a snowflake that makes everything cover beautiful.